proper cleaning routine for your baby girl.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic for parents, especially new ones. We'll discuss how often you should clean your baby girl's private parts. Keeping your little one clean and comfortable is essential to prevent irritations and infections.
How often should I clean my baby girl's private parts?
You should clean your baby girl's private part every time you change her diaper. This helps to prevent any buildup of waste material which could lead to infections or discomfort. Using a soft, damp cloth, wipe from front to back, always avoiding the spread of bacteria from the anal area to the vagina.
What should I use to clean my baby girl's private part?
When it comes to cleaning products, it's best to stick to warm water and a soft cloth most of the time. However, if there is sticky residue or a lot of waste, you might want to use a mild, unscented soap. Be sure to rinse thoroughly with water after using soap to avoid any potential irritation. Never use adult hygiene products or wipes that contain alcohol or perfume.
What should I do if I notice redness or irritation?
If you notice any redness, swelling, or signs of discomfort in your baby's private area, it's time to reach out to your pediatrician. These could be signs of a rash, an infection, or an allergic reaction to the wipes or diapers you are using. So there you have it. Cleaning your baby girl's private parts should be a routine part of every diaper change. Using warm water, a soft cloth, and mild soap when needed will help keep her comfortable and clean. As always, if you notice any unusual symptoms, don't hesitate to consult your pediatrician. Your baby's health and comfort should always be your priority. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful for you.